everyone, here we are in Tucson, Arizona, enjoying a beautiful day. We're getting ready to go to the Missile Museum and check out the Titan II missile in its silo. It's going to be very interesting.
Yeah, that's going to be cool. It's one of the top places to visit while you're in Tucson, so we'll see you guys later.
See you later.
What's your first name? I-R-I-S? All right, Iris, you will be a captain or a major? Majors make more money. Good choice. Major Iris. All right, now the bomb is going to be an airburst or a ground burst. If you select an airburst, you get your most instruction in that, and it's called an emergency action message. Now there's two books called emergency action message book, one for the deputy, one for the commander. Are you clear for top secret? Action message. Both commander and deputy open their books. You copy down 35 alphanumeric characters. This message sounds like this. At the end of that time, we get together, look at our books, we're convinced we heard the exact same message. That means we can go over here and get this red safe over here. It's a disc like this. So there's Golf Alpha. If the next 5 characters match the next 5 characters on this, you have authenticated message. That means you're authorized to release your nuclear weapon. Use the left hand. Number 1, you got to see that green light just to the right of the key come on. Key, give me 3, 2, and launch, and turn it that way.
3, 2, 1, launch.
Okay, turn the key, turn it to the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, take your hand off the key. I forgot to tell you something. Oh, I should have told you this earlier. You cannot stop this launch. This light came on. There's 2 20-volt DC batteries on that missile being fed electrolyte for the very first time. 28 seconds later, it APS power light. That means the missile's on internal power, didn't anything else to run. Whoa, there you go. Something else important happened. Last guy was coming together in what's called a hypergolic reaction. And hold. Last light right here says liftoff. 58 seconds of turning that key, that missile's down there. But there's always one of those. The fine print forgot to read when you volunteered. You do not use it unless you hear from the president. Okay. Now, we're all witnesses. We heard that what she said, that she turned the key. So what we're going to do now is go see if the missile's still there.
By the moonlight, can't you see?